Bonjour! Welcome to my studio and to another Art in Action with Monique. Hi, my name is Monique Carr, and if you had watched last week's video, I did a seascape painted on a canvas. But today I will paint a similar scene but on watercolor paper, and I cut a piece of paper 8 by 8 and I gesso it on both sides, and I did tape the paper on a cardboard. The purpose of this exercise is to see how these two different substrates react to the paint. All right, let's go and let's do it now. Woohoo! Exercise, I observed that the paper is much more absorbent than the canvas. I needed to add more water to make the paint move around, and it dried much quicker than the canvas. And because of that, I was able to add more layers faster than the canvas one. But at the end, I'm happy with either results. It just takes some practice. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this demonstration. In the next week video, I will show you how I mount these paintings on a wood panel, and also how I frame them in these floater frame. You'll see they look really nice when they are framed. All right, I have also some good news for you. I will soon have my online class and also some other wonderful things that I will offer online, so stay tuned. All right, I will see you next time. Bye.